Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free technical support. Error code Charlie 562. Fill mode steam temp hardware. So that means during the fill mode, your temp sensor read too high in the chamber. So we're gonna check for residual buildup on the temp sensor. So you're going to pull out all your instruments, all your trays, and you're going to go straight back to the temp sensor, which is right here in the middle, and you're going to make sure there's no residual buildup on there. If there is, you're going to clean it with an abrasive pad, distilled water, and speed clean, and then you're going to rub it dry. Then we're going to, with an empty chamber, make sure your water is full here, and we're going to run an empty cycle to verify if the problem persists. If you get 562 again during the fill mode, then we got a problem. Okay, it's going to be the temp sensor, but first, obviously, let's make sure that the unit is on a level surface. Make sure that it's sitting nice, perfectly level. Run a level across the front. Make sure it's level that way, and run one across the back. Make sure it's that way, verifying that there's not too much water getting in the chamber or not enough. So otherwise, it's going to go straight to the temp sensor. We cleaned it already. We ran an empty cycle. Now we're back trying to figure out why this thing is overheating in the fill mode. So if I had to guess, number one, this is the temp sensor. But if it's failing in the fill mode, maybe one of these connections is loose. So we'll unplug the unit from the wall, we'll take the right side panel off, and we'll go to the temp sensor and we'll push on this. There's a little connector here, push on it, pull it out. And then we're gonna hold the black connector while we wiggle the wire, and we're gonna make sure that there's no loose connections. We're gonna do a resistance test of this if you like. That's something I'd recommend a service tech doing, but if you have a multimeter, we can talk you through it. And then also we're going to do a PC board steam temp voltage test. We're going to put the unit into diagnostic mode. Again, with that very same multimeter, we're going to plug it into the output of this, and we're going to see what the volts are coming from there. Again, both of those things are more recommended to have a service tech do them. That way you don't have any further problems. Okay, so at either point we can determine that it's the temp sensor or the main PC board. In my experiences, I see the temp sensor failing for this type of error, not the PC board. If you like this video, please share. Please subscribe to our channel for more Midmark and other autoclave videos. And thank you very much.